How to remove green screen in CapCut PC. In this tutorial, I will show you how to quickly and easily remove the green screen background from your video using CapCut PC. First of all, you want to open CapCut on your PC, import the video that you want to edit and add it to your timeline. Next, add the video with green screen background on the top of the main video in the timeline. Select the green screen video in the timeline. On the right side of the screen, you will see Remove Background option. Check the chroma key box to activate the green screen removal feature. After enabling chroma key, click on the color picker option. Click on the green background in your video to select the color you want to remove. You'll notice the green screen will be removed automatically from your video. You can fine-tune the effect by adjusting the intensity slider. Set it to around 50% or more depending on your video. Use the additional slider on the bottom to further clean up the video and remove any remaining green screen areas. Once you're satisfied with the result, preview your video. If necessary, make further adjustments to settings until the green screen is completely gone and the background looks natural. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.